Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys enjoying your day. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I edit my film photos on my iPad Air. But first things first, we're going to make a little beverage before we start. So I'm making hot chocolate. The chocolate ball that I just put inside, it melts and it has like marshmallows in it. It's actually pretty good. So the apps I use are Lightroom and Photoshop to edit my photos. Those are the primary software that I use on my iPad and on my laptop. So I already have the photos imported into the Lightroom. These are the photos I took of Steven. He's a former co-worker of mine I reconnected with, and we did a shoot at his studio. And the film that we used was Portrait 800. Okay, we're gonna get started. How I edit my film photos is pretty minimalistic. I don't really do too much. So I think I'm gonna choose this photo. And first things first, I think I'm gonna crop it. Make it a little more centered. And I'm gonna up the clarity a little bit, just to give it a little more punch. And then I'm gonna sharpen it. Move the radius a little bit. Make the mask like 15-ish, 17-ish. And I think that's it. I think that's all I want to do for this photo. So I'm gonna go ahead and save it. Save it into the original film file and replace the original one. And that's it. So we're gonna choose another one. Kind of deciding between these two. I think I'm gonna go with this one. So with this one, I think I'm gonna do a little bit more. I'm gonna boost up the contrast. I'm gonna play with the blacks a little bit, see which one looks good. Just FYI, my editing is all over the place, so sorry for that pop-up. First I'm gonna clarify a little bit more. I want to sharpen it more. His shirt is blown out, so I'm gonna decrease the whites a little bit. And I think that's it. I'm going to save this one. So this image right here, you're not gonna be able to, I don't think you'll be able to see it, but there is like a white line that's near the seat that he's sitting. So after I do all the adjustments, that one I'm gonna go to Photoshop and try to take care of that. So these photos that I'm doing next with the beige backdrop, some of them didn't come out in focus, which is kind of disappointing. I think my hand was probably shaky or something, but I'm gonna try to choose the best one out of the bunch, and I think I'm gonna go with this one. This one seems to be a little bit in focus, and with this one I'm gonna crop it. Try to get a little bit sharpened. Just gonna put a little bit more sharpening. Play with the noise reduction a little bit. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm just gonna save this one. I think once you guys see the before and after photos, I think you guys will see like the difference. So I think that's gonna be the last one. So now that's all done, we're gonna go to Photoshop now. And we're gonna import the files. My folder is definitely not organized how it should be, but whatever. I'm gonna start with this one. I'm gonna skip this one. There's not really much that needs to be done. So I'm just gonna choose something else. So I'm gonna edit this photo, and as you can see, there's that white line I was talking about. So I'm just gonna use the eraser to try to get rid of it. Just gonna bring it up a bunch. I think that's it. That's the most I probably even do when it comes to editing these photos, unless it's like he has like pimples on his face, but I primarily do the same thing. So we're gonna save that, save original file, replace. Sorry for the pop-up, guys. I'm gonna choose this photo. And again, we have that white line again. Just gonna erase it. Editing in Lightroom is definitely a lot easier on the iPad when you have the pencil. And looks like the image is good so far, so I'm just gonna go ahead and save it. So that's it. That's how I edit my film photos. Pretty simple. I don't really do too much to the photos. I know there's a debate on it, but here are the before and afters. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.